To arrange your students according to the way they sit in class, slide the menu bar all the way over and tap on Arrange Layout. You can add rows and columns by tapping on the plus on any side. Then tap the student and tap the space you want to put them. You can set up your class in any shape or form. Don't worry about adding too many columns or rows. All of the outside columns and rows will be taken away when you're done. When your class is set up right, tap End Arrange and save. If you tap Cancel, you'll leave Arrange mode, but your changes will be discarded.